Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up on the TheAchieveApp. Yes, the video that I just uploaded it on YouTube. I'm going to show you how you can create an account on the platform, and you start saving your money, or you start the investment, then you make interest from the app. So I won't take long, so let me start the video. So you click on get started, then you enter your email address here. So let me enter my email address. So after you have successfully entered your email address, you have to click on continue. So you enter your name here. So let's say this is my name, Pablo, and the other name is what? Let me choose Andrew. Created this account for the sake of you, because some people are finding some difficulties in creating the account and using the other method to create an account. Then I want to show you how you can create a successful account on this platform. So after you have entered your name, you have to enter your mobile phone number here. Then you have to create a password. So let's say this is my password that I'm using to create the account. So after you have entered your password, you have to click on sign up, and you scroll to the bottom. Then you click on accept. So you receive an OTP or verification code into your email address. So you have to copy that code, or you have to enter that code, and you click on next. So you go to your email address. Then I've received the code. This is the code. So this is the code 489364. So you have to enter the code there. The code is 489364. Then you click on continue. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell too, and also share it to your friends who are interested in making money online. So you have to choose your name that you use on the app, your username. So let's say the username is Pablo. Then you select your gender, whether you are male or female. Then you select your country. Right now I'm in Ghana, so I will choose Ghana. Then you select your date of birth. So let's say this is my date of birth. Then you click on save and continue. It says that username has been already taken, so you have to add this to it, or you have to add anything to it. So I've added 23 to my username, or you can change it. So when you get here, when it says how did you hear about Achieve, don't select the second option, but you have to choose from the first or the third option. Don't use the second option. So you can choose from the first and the second, or the first and the third one. So after you have choose the one you like, choose between the first and the third, not the second one. So select the first one or the third one and click on save. So when you did that successfully, it will open your account to you. So you have to click on set my profile. Then you have to set up your profile. So there is your marital status, where it is asking you whether you have married or not. So you have to answer all these things. I'm resident Ghanaian. So if you are not from Ghana but you live in Ghana, you can choose not resident Ghana. But you are from Ghana and you still live in Ghana, you have to select this one, and you have to enter your address here, then your work that you are doing, and your next of kin. So your next of kin, you can enter the name of your family member. You can enter the name of your family members. So after that, you will click on the save and continue button. So that's how you can create an account using this platform, and you can create an investor account by clicking here. This an investor account by clicking on this button. So it's subscribe to our DigiSave product being saved on Achieve. So you click on proceed and you follow the process. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, share, like, and comment down there if you don't understand anything on this concerning about this video.